तुम नहीं समझोगे बुराक, कुछ कुछ होता है.
Okay, foods, spicy foods. People, and your weather is hot, huh? It's very hot.
Are you single?
Bekar misiniz?
No.
Hayır, no, nahi.
Am I a singer? No.
Single. Are you with someone? Are you dating
Ah,
someone?
singer. I singer. Okay, I'm single now. Why? Why are you laughing? I'm single. Yes, BK.
Yeah.
Actually, Amir Khan.
Yeah. Can we have a wood for Amir Khan and a big round of applause?
Yes, yes.
Any Indian actor you would like to collaborate with in that?
Okay,
In that possible collaboration.
Of course, firstly, Amir Khan.
Okay.
And
Shah Rukh Khan.
yes, remember Shah Rukh Khan and Chopra. Yes,
Priyanka Chopra.
yes, of course.
Okay. Okay. There we just have a potential poster right now. Don't mess it up with his fans. Burak, this is your official mic for the evening. You have all the potential of all the things that can go wrong in a translation, because you have somebody who speaks Turkish, maybe a little bit of English, and you have also another Turkish filmmaker and producer who is. But to rescue us from all the mishaps we could be making, we have Professor Minaj Khan joining us from Turkey to help us with the translation. I don't know how this is going to work out, but Professor, can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Wow. How do I say I love you in Turkish?
Seni çok seviyorum. और seni seviyorum.
Okay, I will. I
Seni.
will. Maybe I should just ask Burak. How do I say that?
Actually, I need to make a little explanation about why we are doing this whole language thing. Okay? So I wanted to say something about why we are doing this, connecting a professor from Turkey. Why three languages?
Yeah, that's a good way to
This-
start.
Yes,
Why
yes,
don't we
it's
tell
like
them?
because we wanted to have, it's like the respect to all cultures and languages. That's why we didn't want it to be just in English.
Okay. On that note, firstly, it's day 3 of Fiki Frames. A lot of effort goes into putting an event like Fiki Frames together, getting all the people. And I'd request you to raise a round of applause for the amazing team at Fiki, Leena ji and her team, who work many nights and days to put this thing together. Thank you, Leena ji, for helping this happen. And there are countless faces and names who put that effort. But now we get into our closing session. Burak and Stare. Have I pronounced your name right? Stare?
Yes,
Yeah?
perfect.
So I'm going to start with the lady, Burak, if you don't mind.
Of course, yes.
Yeah. 3 things about India that struck you as soon as you got in here.
Scents, lots of scents.
Scents, you mean
Yes.
fragrances?
Yeah, fragrances, different varieties. And then the childlike innocence and kindness of people. Always a beautiful smile on their faces. I realize regardless of all the obstacles they're facing in life, they still have that hope and happiness, and I can see that in their face. That's why I say child innocence.
Okay. That's
And-
a sweet observation.
And obviously weather, because before we came here, we were wearing coats. So imagine us coming here all of a sudden with that warmness. Beautiful. I will also remember this.
So you found it a little hotter.
Yes.
That was Burak. Otherwise, India is a very cool country. Blame it on Burak. Burak, your 3 things of India that stay with you as soon as you came in. It's the first time to India?
Yes, my first time. Pardon, Türkçe devam etmesi gereken bendim galiba. Şu an artık Türkçe'ye ele alıyorum. Okay, my first time, yes.
Your first time.
Yeah.
And 3 things that stay with you about India now that you're going to go back. very soon.
Okay, foods, spicy foods, people, and your weather is hot, huh? It's very hot. Yeah.
Aren't you going to say nice things about me, Fiki Frames, and all of that?
Yes. Plus Fiki Frames. Sorry.
That's called fishing for a compliment. Professor, how do you have that phrase in Turkey? How to fish for a compliment? No, okay. Ignore me. We're still finding our way with this. Please ignore me right now. But you were saying about Fiki Frames, yeah. How did you find that experience?
Profesör, şimdi Türkçe'ye geçeceğiz. Siz çevirebilir misiniz Burak bitirdikten sonra?
Duyamadım en son.
Ben
Şimdi
Türkçe
Burak,
konuşmaya başlıyorum. Artık sıra sizde. Onu söyledik. Okay?
İnşallah deneyeceğiz.
İnşallah deneyeceğiz. Süper. Bu tarz organizasyonların insanları, bu sektör içindeki insanları daha çok tanışma fırsatı sunduğuna inanıyorum. Örneğin seninle tanışma fırsatı bulabildim. Senden başka birçok değerli insanla burada tanışabildim. O yüzden Fiki Frames ve benzeri organizasyonların bu denli önem taşıdığını düşünüyorum.
Okay, I will pretend that I understood everything that you just said, and I will wait for Professor to
Okay, right.
clarify as well.
ऐसे इवेंट्स हमें इसलिए हमारे इम्पोर्टेंट है बिकॉज हमें एक दूसरे से मिलने का मौका प्रोवाइड करते हैं हमें मौका मिलता है एक दूसरे से मिलने का इज इट ओके विद हिंदी और
Yes, Hindi is just fine. Thank you.
okay so that's why it is important for me because I got chance to meet with you.
Okay, thank you. प्रोफेसर साहब अभी ये बुराक को आप टर्किश में बोलिए तुम नहीं समझोगे बुराक कुछ कुछ होता है
Burak sen anlamayacaksınız. İçimde bir şeyler oluyor.
Evet, onu yaptım. Biliyorum yani o bir galiba bir replik değil mi? Bir filmden bir replik o.
Evet evet. I think ये कोई फिल्म से वो कोई I mean like फिल्म से ये लिया गया है सेंटेंस.
Yes.
कुछ कुछ होता है.
क्या बात. Okay, I have a confession to make right at the onset, and I took Burak's permission before the session that can I be this confessional and candid about this. So, before Fiki Frames, I didn't know about the phenomena called Burak Deniz. And then I looked up Google, and then there was a storm. Apparently, he's so famous, even the people who look for him online also get famous. He's that famous. Then I happened to mention to my wife this morning, and I said, you know, there's this fantastically famous actor who I had no clue about. His name is Burak Deniz has come. And she said, yeah, really? Show me what. So she looked him up on Instagram, yeah, and she goes like, oh, he's hot.
Sorry.
Burak, that's not enough, you know. It doesn't feel good when you introduce another fellow actor to your
okay.
wife and she's like, oh, he's hot.
Okay, what's your wife's name?
Saloni.
Saloni, eşinin kıymetini bil.
सलोनी आई थिंक आपको अपने हस्बैंड की जो है ना इम्पोर्टेंस जानना चाहिए.
Did she? फिर से रिपीट कीजिए, मेरी वाइफ थोड़ा धीमे सुनती है.
Saloni, you have a wonderful husband. You should know the importance.
दोनों भाषा में बोल दिया, बस हो गया. आज सासू माँ को मैं जाके सुनाऊंगा. I will tell this to my mother-in-law as well. Thank you. That was very good.
Hi from me.
Yeah. Stare, I'd like you all to know about Stare, is that her debut film won at the San Diego Film Festival. It was called Butler. Butler.
Yes,
Big round of
yes.
applause. You've been doing this directing and producing for 20 years, right? And
Like I have been producing more than I am directing, because I started as a producer in the United States.
yeah.
And then I came back to my country and became the president of production of a major studio called Mediavision. And after that, I founded my own company and started directing as well. Something I was trying to avoid for a long time, but I ended up doing that. And then with my first feature film as a director, not as a producer, I have won several awards. I was honored with several awards. And I think the last two was Best Global Cinema and Best Debut Director at San Diego Film Festival in United States.
Congratulations. I think we've heard of that. That's why we also said, yes, Stare Yaldim should be here at Fiki Frames. Ladies and gentlemen, Stare Yaldim. Stare, is it hard for women? Does the gender get into the way? I know it's a politically difficult question to ask, but has your experience been in Turkey?
Well, I have to say it's hard everywhere, in every business, in every profession to be a woman. And obviously in the east side of the world, it is harder compared to the west side of the world. So I experience both sides of the world. And in the United States, it's much easier for me to function. And I get respected as an individual. I'm not seen as a woman only. So this feels good. But in my country and in other Eastern countries, I think it's still a little bit of like, they don't want to see a woman more than a secretary than a leader. You know, they cannot accept female leadership that much. But we are getting there. We are getting there. But I think I explained, I answered the question, huh?
Yes, thank you. Burak, I want to ask you, I believe you're an actor, right?
I am.
Listen, so the non-cheeky part of the question is, why do you act, Burak? Why do you do what you do?
Why do I act?
Why do you act?
Benim için başta bir yani oyunculuk serüvenim boyunca, kariyerim boyunca benim için başta çok istediğim bir şeyi yapmakla başladı. Sonrasında bir göreve dönüştü ama sonunda bir tutku ve kendini ifade etme şekline dönüştü diyebilirim. Benim için kamera karşısında olmaktan ziyade oyunculuk yapıyor olmak bir kendini ifade etme biçimi oldu. Hayatımın içine, yani tabii ki işim çok ön planda olduğu için, bir de çok ön planda bir iş olduğu için benim için bir halledilmesi gereken bir şey dönüştü. Bir konu haline geldi. Bir araç haline geldi. O yüzden mesleğim bana para kazandırması, bir popülarite yaratmasından ziyade beni rahatlatan bir duruma dönüştü. O yüzden bayılıyorum yaptığım mesleğe.
All right. Again, I will ask Professor Saab to rescue us here.
स्टार्टिंग में मेरे लिए जो है एक्टिंग एक जॉब जैसे थी, लेकिन धीरे धीरे धीरे धीरे ये हमारा एक पैशन बन गया। तो इसको मैं कहीं जॉब से ज्यादा एक मुझे सुकून मिलता है जब मैं एक्टिंग करता हूँ, अच्छी एक्टिंग करता हूँ, तो मुझे एक अलग सी फीलिंग्स देती है। तो कहीं जॉब से ज्यादा ये मेरी एक आदत सी बन गई है। तो मेरे लिए एक पैशन है और एक आदत है। जब तक मैं अच्छे से कर नहीं लेता हूँ तो मुझे वो सुकून नहीं मिलता है।
क्या बात है, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. That made a lot of sense. I want to ask you both briefly to share how did you all end up doing what you're doing. You're telling us, Burak was telling us why he does. So Stare, in a brief way, you've already said it, and maybe I should ask you that now. What excites you? You've told us your journey. What excites you from now on?
I realized what really, I can tell you what kind of stories I like to tell. I like to give people hope in a world where we are not really facing good things all the time. So if I can spread hope through my storytelling, then I'm happy. So the reason I chose this profession, basically, first I wanted to just be a writer at the beginning, and I studied literature as a result. However, I realized there were people who cannot read and write still, especially back in time. So I decided if I choose filmmaking as a genre to tell my stories, I could reach more people. That's how I became a filmmaker, to tell stories and reach more people than just books.
Yeah, I think you have that common with a lot of filmmakers in the room over here as well. Burak, there are many new audiences like me who don't know about your journey. Can you tell us a little bit about your journey in short? About your journey. How did you become what you become? How did Burak Deniz happen?
Bilmem. Yani ben sadece işimi yaptım ve en iyi şekilde yapmaya çalıştım. Hayatın, Yaradan'ın ya da o her neyse bana sağladığı bu hayatı, bu kariyeri hak etmek için hep daha iyisini yapmaya çalıştım ve konu buraya geldi. Ben diyebileceğim bu.
यानी मुझे नहीं मालूम है कि कहाँ से शुरुआत हुई, लेकिन जब मैं करने लगा धीरे धीरे एक ऐसा लगता है ना कि ऊपर से एक मुझे कहीं से अलग से एक वो क्या कहते हैं, एक मेरे अंदर एक हाउ वी से लाइक समथिंग कमिंग फ्रॉम लाइक आसमान। तो धीरे धीरे एक इट्स रियली डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सप्लेन द लास्ट सेंटेंस। आई मीन लाइक शुरुआत में मैंने कुछ नहीं सोचा, जस्ट एज एक्टिंग शुरू किया, लेकिन बाद में एक ऐसा लगा कि ये कुछ है हम में जो हम कर सकते हैं। आई कैन एक्सप्लेन लाइक दिस।
क्या बात, क्या बात.
Unutmadan şunu da söylemek istiyorum. Yani özellikle bizim işte daha çok tabii ki yani insanlara ulaşmak daha kolay oluyor. O yüzden herkesin ne olursa olsun, hangi milletten olursa olsun yaptığı işlerdeki duygu aynı. Ortak duygulara sahip olduğumuz gerçeğiyle yüzleşiyoruz. Ben bir aktörü ve aktrisi izlediğimde ondaki duyguyu aldığımda rahatlıyorum. Eminim nacizane sevenler ve izleyenler de eminim o duyguyu alabildikleri için o takipte bulunuyorlardır diye düşünüyorum. O yüzden bu önemli. O duyguyu birbirimize geçiriyor olmamız önemli. O duyguların ortaklığını hatırlıyor olmamız önemli diye düşünüyorum.
यानी एक बात और भी बताना चाहूँगा कि जो यानी किसी भी नेशन से या किसी भी आप ट्राइब से या किसी भी कंट्री से हो जो एक फीलिंग होती है आई मीन लाइक फीलिंग वो कहीं ना कहीं जो है ना हर एक उसमें एक म्यूचुअल फीलिंग होती है जो आप उसको फील करते हैं तो ये जो फीलिंग्स है वो वाकई हम ना कहीं ना कहीं से इसको फील करते हैं वो फीलिंग के बारे में बताना चाह रहे हैं
Okay, kya baat. Okay, Burak, I have a yes and no question for you, and it is in service of a lot of curious female faces who look at you with so much love, even when you're talking in Turkish and they have no clue what you're saying. The question is, are you single?
क्या
Is normal.
Drink as much water as you want, but give us an honest answer. We want to know this? Do you want to know? Is this too personal a question to ask at a forum, or it's okay to ask? It's okay to ask. It's okay.
Okay. What?
Are you single?
विचार मिस्टर
No.
हाँ ये नो नहीं
Am I a singer? No.
Single. Are you with someone? Are you dating someone?
Single. I singer. Okay. I'm single now. Why? Why are you laughing? I'm single.
Weren't you just talking about hope? So many women just found hope right now.
Do you singer?
But listen, I know you're a singer. You were singing something. I heard you singing. Do you want to sing something right now?
No.
Little bit. Something in Turkish. Anything that is coming from the heart.
Ağlamadan ayrılık olmaz.
Come on, go on.
İşte kuzu kuzuyu sessiz sessiz söylemen. Enough for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
We still believe he's the best singer in the world, don't you? Okay, I've been, people are asking me to ask you this question and that question, so now I'm going to come and stay in track here. Okay. Burak, do you watch, also to you, Stare, what sort of Indian stories, films are you influenced by? You can give me a response first, Stare.
I think it's going to be, most of the people say the same thing maybe, but there is this film called PK. I like that one.
Okay.
And a few other, but I cannot recall the names.
my answer.
But we all love PK, even if you say it's PK, we're fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so PK and PK for you.
Yes, PK.
Yeah.
Actually, Amir Khan.
Yeah? Can we have a woot for Amir Khan and a big round of applause?
Yes. Full respect.
All right, great. Listen, so let me ask you a serious question. That you're meeting people, you're at frames, you're experiencing a connection with a lot of people in the business, and now I want to ask you, as a filmmaker, as a producer, what sort of collaborations would you be hopeful of between India and Turkey?
I actually thought about this in the past because I visited India first time in 2010, again through Fikki Frames. And by the way, I want to thank the whole crew and my friends at Fikki Frames for inviting us here and having us and treating us lovely and their hospitality. I thank you all. And obviously all the guests. Thank you. In 2010, I brought a delegation from Turkey on behalf of Ministry of Culture, and that was my first time in India. And I immediately thought we should do films together because I see a lot of connections. We even have common words. I don't know how many, but thousands, like Divane Aşık. and many other.
9,000.
Yeah, Diwan Ashik Pehlivan, I think. A few other words in common with you guys. Then I was thinking about maybe a romantic comedy that we can, with sequel. The first film can be shot in India, and the second one can be shot in Turkey. And maybe Burak will act in it, who knows?
Maybe one day, who knows?
Wow, that sounds like a promising Indian-Turkey collaboration. Burak acting in it, wow. Burak, you have a wish list actor for that sort of a collaboration? Any Indian actor you would like to collaborate with in that,
Okay,
in that possible collaboration?
Of course, firstly, Amir Khan.
Okay.
And
Shah Rukh Khan.
yes, remember Shah Rukh Khan. And Chopra, yes.
Priyanka Chopra.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Okay, there we just have a potential poster right now. Priyanka Chopra, Burak Deniz, Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. Can I get a small role in it? I mean, can I pitch for my...
If I'm the producer and director, why not?
Maybe. Burak, just for my wife, you know, she'll feel happy.
I know.
All right. So, on a more serious note, are there any directors that you'd like to collaborate with Burak? Any?
Yes.
It's really hard to remember the
Yes,
names.
the names I remember, but very hard.
To remember,
yeah.
remind the names. You were telling me the director of PK is somebody you're very fond.
Yes,
Raju Hirani.
yes, of course. Sorry. Yes.
Now, please say it in a little more sincere way. It looks like I am telling you that you must
Raju
collaborate
Hirani,
with Raju Hirani. Though it's not nonsensical to offer you to ask for him. He's one of our best directors. Big round of applause for Raju, sir. Okay. Burak, I'm going to ask you a couple of personal questions. Okay, I'm sure that. Do you have a take on marriage? Do you believe in marriage?
Evlilik yani şu an için, yani şu anki düşüncemle evlilik için bir insanın hazır olması gerektiğini düşünüyorum. Neden olmasın bir gün? Neden olmasın? Evlilik her zaman. Are you okay?
Professor is not happy with
Professor,
your
are you
answer.
okay?
ये शादी के लिए सबसे पहले इंसान को रेडी होना जरूरी है होगा क्यों नहीं हो सकता है
Ama günün sonunda evlilik gerçekten olan bütün romantik olayların arasındaki bana göre en güzeli. Yani çok romantik gelen bir organizasyon olduğunu düşünüyorum. Neler söylüyorum?
लेकिन एंड पे आखिर में मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो सबसे रोमांटिक ये है कि घर पे यानी शादीशुदा होना और अपने घर पे जाना
So, you're largely known for your romance work. How do you feel when you get all this love from all the audiences from world over? And can you all show some love when I ask him that question? Can you see? You can hear this love now. How do you feel when you get all that love? How do you feel when you get love from audiences world over? Like you land in India and then there's everybody asking for a picture, everybody wanting to give you so much love. How does it feel?
Yani diyebileceğim en temiz haliyle şu. Sevmek, sevilmek bunlar güzel şeyler. Keyifli. Buna layık olabiliyorsam ne mutlu bana. Keyifli.
या जस्ट इतना कहूंगा कि एक दूसरे को चाहना अगर आपको कोई चाहता है तो सबसे इससे अच्छी क्या बात हो सकती है और जब कोई ऐसा करता है तो जाहिर सी बात है मुझे भी बहुत खुशी होती है कि मैं उनके लायक हूँ कि उनको मैं खुश कर पा रहा हूँ
क्या बात है. That is very sweet. Okay, I have a very Oprah Winfrey-like question. All right. I'm going to
Very,
channelize the inner Oprah Winfrey in me. What is it that you fear? You're this young, strapping, and then the question is for you as well, Stare. And both of you take your turns. You're strong, you're on the top of the world, everybody loves you. But what does Burak Deniz fear? And Stare, you're a woman of today, making films, producing content. What is it that you fear?